morning from Penang. Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. I am Meghna and this is our second last day in Penang, Malaysia, and now we are heading to watch the beautiful sunrise at Penang Hill. This is the train terminal where you get the train funicular ticket. From here, you'll be taken to a line where you'll wait for your boarding into the funicular. It is said that this is the world's steepest funicular train that goes up the hill, and it is slanting, as you can see. I was a bit skeptical and a bit scared, to board this train, but it was a comfortable ride. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes to reach the top, and people were traveling with their children. So don't you worry if you're like me, scared of heights, then it'll be a comfortable journey, and the train is super safe. Even though the steep is pretty steep, you can see how slanting the train is, and now I'll show you the top view and you'll understand how steep it was. So we reached the top and it was beautiful. The sun had just risen and it was looking all beautiful. As you can see the train funicular platform from there, the beautiful sunrise. Here people come to visit in the early morning, and it is totally worth it. We were tired from the earlier day and we were not able to get up and all that, but I am glad we did get up early and came here to watch this beautiful view. If it rains then it will look even better, but it did not rain on the day which we went, but it was beautiful nonetheless. It was pretty, the sky was clear and it was all so peaceful and shant. We loved every bit of it. We have captured it as much as we can for you guys to see, and it is a beautiful place. So people come here via trek also, people come here via car also, but the most interesting journey is via train. There are multiple things to do here. Here, as you can see, people have written messages for their loved ones and locked their love here, so you can do the same. There are multiple aspects to the Penang Hill. You can take a trek, you can visit the forest, you can take a ticket to the habitat and do all sorts of stuff. We just scrolled a bit and watched the beautiful sunset. We ate a bit and just walked, trekked a bit and enjoyed our time on the Penang Hill. So as you can see, the Penang Hill is a very beautiful and scenic place. There were also monkeys playing around on this tree, and the views were totally breathtaking. I mean, there was a hotel also near this place where I'm standing, and can you see? Wow, the views were totally breathtaking, and I'm speechless completely. It was so gorgeous. This is the hotel that I was talking about, but we went so early in the morning that everything was closed. These are all the activities that you can do on the Penang Hill. All the things are mentioned very nicely there. These are all the activities and animals that you can find while doing those activities. As we move ahead, we saw these binoculars place where you can watch the views even clearly. You just had to put 1 ringgit and you could use the binoculars, but what we found out were that these things are not working. So if you come here, don't use this. I would recommend that you bring your own binoculars, because this was a complete waste of time and money, because these things did not work. People were standing here and we recommended everyone who came here after us to not use this. कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस तुम्हारा मूवी व्यूइंग का?
वो दूरबीन एकदम फालतू।
हमने पैसे डाले और उन्होंने पैसे ले लिया और हमको कुछ दिखाया ही नहीं।
वो मशीन बस रखी है ताकि तुम पैसे डालो। कुछ दिखता नहीं है, देखो ऐसे ही देखो।
ये बोल रहा है कि हमने डोनेशन ले लिया एक रिंगेट यहाँ पे, तो आप अगर यहाँ पे आओगे तो वो यूज मत करना, वो चलता नहीं है।
अपना खुद का घर से लेके आओ दूरबीन और इसमें से
हाँ, यू
देखो।
कैन ब्रिंग योर ओन
बायनोकुलर्स।
बायनोकुलर्स एक्चुअली। ये पेनांग हिल हमारे यहाँ पे होता ना, इंडिया में ये ऐसा कुछ होता ना,
ये मिला
तो यहाँ पे 15 चीजें मिल जाती खाने की, टपरिया, छोटी छोटी दुकान, यहाँ पे खाने को कुछ मिलता ही नहीं है।
So finally we found a place to eat, but there was hardly anything vegetarian over there, so we skipped it. We did not find anything here to eat as well. After walking a bit we found a restaurant that was open. Blues करके नाम था उसका. It was pretty expensive, but we were super hungry, so we decided to eat something over here. So after spending considerably good time at the Penang Hill, we decided to head back because it was our second last day and we hadn't seen a beach yet, so we wanted to visit a beach, so we just went. This is the inside of the train. If you want to see, this is how it looks. It's pretty steep and it's a small train, but a great one. The ride is fun and children also enjoy it as much as the adults do. I have taken a good view of the train so that you can see how slanting it is. After coming down we decided to take a grab and go back to our hotel. Actually not exactly to our hotel, but the hotel garden, our favorite spot. There's a beautiful garden near the Armenian street hotel. We have shown that in our first vlog. This is the place. We sat here for around 1 to 2 hours and researched which beach we have to go in the evening. This is our third vlog in the Penang vlog series. You must watch the previous two. So this is the same day. We have changed, we are well rested and we are all set and excited to visit the Batu Firangi Beach Bay area. So we just found out that the Batu Firangi Bay area is a newly formed area and is much better than the beach part of it, and we decided to head over there. And we have reached.
मेरे सामने ग्रीन ग्रीन माउंटेन्स है लेफ्ट साइड में, और सामने ब्लू कलर का पानी, स्काई का कलर बहुत सुंदर, क्लाउड्स बहुत सुंदर, सैंड ऑलमोस्ट वाइट है और सारे फॉरेनर्स घूम रहे आसपास। एक नंबर लग रहा है, एक नंबर।
This is the Batu Firangi Bay area. This is one of the best beaches in Penang. This is what we have found out from the locals there. When we were sitting in the garden, right, we asked around a few locals which beach is the best to visit, and they suggested us to go to the Batu Firangi Bay area because it is better than the beach and it is newly formed. There are multiple things to do here and it is not completely secluded. There are perfect amount of tourists and locals here. Plus there are banana rides, boat rides, speed boats. People are swimming in the water. The water is beautiful, crystal clear, by the way, and children were playing in the sand. It's perfectly safe for children as well, so it's a perfect beach.
कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत ही मस्त, एकदम शांत।
शांत।
As I said, this is a very hot spot for water activities and multiple boat rides, and they have also built a separate area inside the water where you can walk around like this. I loved this, and people were just sitting here and chilling. We also found a perfect spot and we enjoyed our time here. and also there's a fire show every evening here, two times I believe, one 7 p.m. and one around 8:30 or 9 p.m. This was of 7 p.m. one. After watching this show, we left because we wanted to avoid the traffic, as it was around 45 minutes to 1 hour ride back to the Armenian Street Hotel. Yes, it is super far from there, and it took us around 50 ringgits for the grab.
Hi! So today is our last day. आज last day है and we are heading towards the temple जहाँ पे हम लोग शायद first day गए थे.
कुंज बिहारी.
कुंज बिहारी टेम्पल, राधा कृष्ण जी का मंदिर है. वहाँ पे we are going to have lunch. ये बोल रहा है लंच नहीं, महाप्रसाद. आज संडे है तो वहाँ पे महाप्रसाद मिलने वाला है, तो वहाँ के पंडित जी ने हमको इनवाइट किया था कि आप संडे को आ जाना. सो आई एम लाइक व्हाट बेटर, पेनांग में महाप्रसाद मिल रहा है हमको, इससे ज्यादा अच्छा क्या हो सकता है. सो वी गोइंग देयर.
We stayed at the temple for the puja and the aarti, after which there was a bhandara, that is they serve Indian food to all the visitors of the temple. This was on the first floor. You know, the prasad was, I think, homemade, and this is how they were serving it. It didn't feel like Malaysia, honestly, it felt like India. Then we walked towards the famous Hema Hema ice cream spot, because this was something that we wanted to do, and we tried doing it for all the 3 days, honestly. And on the last day, finally we could, have the ice cream. This is the inside of the Hema Hema ice cream store. See, my mouth is watering. The ice cream was so tasty, I can't tell you. We finally sat there and enjoyed our ice cream over here. It was so yum that I completely forgot to shoot the part where we are actually eating the ice cream.
Hello, that's it to our Penang vlog series. So हम vlog के end में पहुंच चुके हैं. Hello. So my favorite YouTuber, what she does it whenever she ends her travel vlog, she asks her partner कि what's your favorite part about the trip. So I'm gonna do the same. I'll tag the creator here, Mridul Sharma. So Swapnil ji, what was the best part about your Penang trip?
बेस्ट पार्ट एक्चुअली ये ऐसा सिटी है जहाँ पे यू गेट बीच, यू गेट माउंटेन, यू गेट ऑल्सो अ हेरिटेज सिटी. तो ऑल इन वन सब कुछ है यहाँ पे. तो आई थिंक हम लोग बस थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा डेज रुक गए. 2 days
एक दिन एक्स्ट्रा, हमको लगा कि हम एक दिन एक्स्ट्रा रुक गए. हम 4 days 3 nights के लिए थे. हम 3 days 2 nights के लिए रुक सकते थे, बट इट्स ओके, हमने रेस्ट किया. सो अभी क्या कर सकते, पता नहीं था. वी आर ऑल्सो फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रैवलर्स, सो हो गया, इट्स ओके. व्हाट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट द ट्रिप?
आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस ओनली कि तुमको एक ही सिटी में हेरिटेज सिटी मिल जाता है, हेरिटेज एरिया मिल जाता है, स्ट्रीट्स मिल जाती है, माउंटेन मिल जाता है. इफ यू लव ट्रैकिंग तो एक Penang Hill is a good place to do trekking also, okay?
Yeah.
And also beach, bro. तो सब है एक सिटी में. तो along with कोलालमपुर, लंकावी, लोग मेलाका जाते हैं, कोलालमपुर जाते हैं, लंकावी जाते हैं. पेनांग मोस्टली स्किप करते हैं, बट आई वुड से अगर 1 या 2 दिन आपके पास टाइम हो तो आना चाहिए.
Okay, thank you. So what I liked about the trip was my stay. बहुत ही कम पैसे में the stay was amazing. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा होटल था, लोकेशन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था. अर्मेनियन स्ट्रीट एकदम पास में, और सामने वाला गार्डन वाज माय फेवरेट, जहाँ पे बैठ के हमने काफ़ी गप्पे मारे. एंड स्ट्रीट एंड द बीच वाज माय फेवरेट. You can also comment below your favorite part about the video. Thank you.
So we headed back to the ferry terminal of Georgetown, and from there we took our ferry, 2 RM only per person, to Penang Central. From there we took our bus from Penang Central to KL Central. This is the ferry and the gorgeous view of the sea, and we had a great time. 4 days, 3 nights were fantastic. We enjoyed thoroughly. Penang, you were beautiful, and we surely would like to come back with our friends and family next time. This is the inside of the ferry terminal if you want to have a look.
Okay, that's it for my Penang vlog series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
करो जल्दी करो.